seat na dear para malapit ka sa inyong cake. And of course, may I also request every one of our guests to please rise. Tayo po tayo lang sandali upang sabay-sabay nating makantahan si Ken over here na happy birthday, and we will also going to greet him muli ng isa pang happy birthday. Lakas po natin ang ating mga boses at ang ating mga tinig, ang ating mga sing tones para siyempre marinig tayo malakas and loudly, of course, ni Ken and his family. Okay? Samahan niyo po ako pagbilang ko tatlo ay on the count of 3, sabay-sabay tayong kakanta. And may tanong ako sa lahat, are you all guys ready to sing for him and greet him? Okay. Kung handa na tayong lahat, ayan, we can also take videos if you want, walang problema. Pero sabay niyo pa rin akong kumanta, tumawid for him, and also to greet him. Ito na, kung handa na tayong lahat on the count of 3, here you go, and 3, 2, 1, everybody sing! Let's go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more time, everybody, mas malakas, mas malakas. One energy, let's go! Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, one more time on the count of 3, sabay-sabay nating batiin isang malakas happy birthday again. Ready? Here you go, and 3, 2, 1, once again, everybody say
Happy birthday!
happy birthday, Ken. Ken, sige. Please, ikaw yung siya doon. Palakpakan naman natin. Happy birthday, Ken. So, and everyone, you may now take your seat. Paupunan po tayong lahat. And thank you so much for joining us with this one. But wait! There's more. Hindi ba tayo tapos? Because we still have one more portion of our premium. Pero pa-picture muna sila sandali before we proceed. Ayan. There you go. Muli, happy 21st birthday to Ken. Yes, our David Jen. And of course, ayan. And ito na nga, isa para tayo hinihintay ngayong gabi dahil napansin ko lamang kanina wala pa pag-umpisa ng ating program. Ken, parang hindi pa yata ikaw na babati or parang wala pa yata mensahe sa iyo ng inyong pamilya. Of course, so we would like to give them the moment. Yes, na makapag-message po kay Ken.